Broker short take. What is the Ellis Act? The Ellis Act was passed in 1985. It gives landlords the legal right to remove all tenants from a rental property by withdrawing it from the rental market entirely, even in cities with rent control. So before the Ellis Act, some cities with rent control made it nearly impossible for landlords to exit the rental business. The California Supreme Court, Nash versus City of Santa Monica, 1984, ruled that cities could force landlords to keep renting. The legislature responded by passing the Ellis Act to guarantee landlords an exit strategy. So how does it work? Landlords must give tenants at least 120 days notice, or 1 year if the tenant is elderly 62, above, or disabled. All units must be removed from the rental market, not just one. Tenants are typically entitled to relocation payments, and it varies by city. Re-rental restriction: if the landlord wants to re-rent the units, they must offer them back to the original tenants first, for 5 years at the original rent. If sold or re-rented within 10 years, there are additional restrictions. So critics argue it's used as a loophole to bypass rent control, particularly in San Francisco and Los Angeles. Landlords sometimes use it to convert rentals to condos or TICs, tenants in common, which are then sold. Housing advocates say it contributes to displacement and homelessness, especially for long-term tenants. Landlords' property rights advocate argue it's a necessary protection against the overreaching of local regulations. This pretty much is a really debatable hot topic because landlords are really forced into, with certain cities, to almost not be able to not have tenants once they have entered into a multi-unit. So it's very difficult. So the Ellis Act was created for landlords in order for them to remove it completely, and they can convert it to like a family compound and such. So really hot topic. This is just what it is, in case no one's ever heard of it, but it does occur, and it's really a lengthy process and quite expensive, but I've seen it with my own eyes. So it is out there. Being in the property management sector, you have to know these things, and this is just a video for educational purposes in case someone comes across the Ellis Act and wonders what it is. So follow me for more, and reach out to me if you need help with your properties to be managed.